contact with them. Doing this will incite attack. Seek shelter in a room above or below ground, preferably one that is blocked by several doors. Do not use any electrical devices, as this may attract them. Make sure that you take food and water with you to your place of refuge. It is not known whether this event will last for hours, days, or even longer. Stay calm, as authorities have been dispatched to deal with these creatures. An all-clear siren will be sounded when this situation is under control.
We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please listen closely as this is vital for your safety. Our world is coming to an end at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Mountain Daylight Time, and Central Daylight Time. Zombie were found in several states across the country and is now in all 50 states. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode. I repeat, go into panic mode. Pray to your God or goddess. All broadcast stations will cease transmission. The President of the United States has been killed from the zombies. There is no chance of survival. We are at play with our national anthem. May God bless the United States, and may God bless you all.